And the whooping cough is back in large numbers this year. According to the CDC, cases are up here in Georgia and across the country. For the last few years, cases have been down, but now the CDC says that we are returning to pre-pandemic levels. Now, before the pandemic, there were 10,000 cases a year. They believe some of these safety measures that we took during the height of the pandemic, like masking, social distancing, and others, helped to keep these cases low. Now, according to the CDC, there are 3 times as many cases right now compared to the same time frame last year and in 2019. Data shows there are around 183 cases around the country as of August 10th. That same data shows Georgia reported 45 cases so far this year compared to just 33 cases last year.